We've got new tools from Milwaukee, Makita, DeWALT, Harbor Freight, Matabo HPT, and more. We get our hands on the all-new GRABO Pro Brushless and find out how it's changing nearly every trade, plus another platinum tool deal from Ohio Power Tool. This is the Tool Show. Welcome back, everybody. We're just a week away from World of Concrete, and there is a ton of new tool news to cover. Plus, we got our hands on the brand new latest from GRABO, and we're going to find out why this is such a huge deal. But first, the news. Makita just announced the new 18-volt LXT auto feed screwdriver, the SRF04. It's built for drywall, decking, framing, and more. It ramps up to 4,500 RPM and takes collated screws from 1 to 2 3/16 inch. You can drive up to 2,670 screws with just a 5 amp hour battery. It features Makita's push drive technology. That means the motor starts only when the fastener engages for longer runtime and reduced motor noise. It's also compact and lightweight at only 15 5/8 inch long and only 4.9 pounds with a battery. No word yet on pricing or availability, but hopefully we'll learn more in the Makita booth at World of Concrete next week. Next up, Ryobi added 2 more new power source chargers to their lineup. The first one is the Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus 200-watt model, built with GaN technology for more efficient energy, increased runtime, and quieter operation. Pop this thing on any 18-volt 1 Plus battery and run lights, fans, TVs, or charge your phones, tablets, or laptops. It has a 120-volt outlet, an 18-watt USB-A, a 30-watt USB-C, and a 60-watt USB-C port. It's pure sine wave for sensitive electronics, and it's even compatible with Ryobi's 21-watt and 60-watt solar panels. It's even got an integrated phone and tablet holder and a 3-mode LED task light. But this isn't just a power supply, it's a charger too. You can use it to charge an 18-volt 1 Plus 2.5 amp hour battery in just 35 minutes. It'll arrive next month for $119 bare or $159 in the 2 amp hour kit. Now, the other one is the 40-volt 300-watt power source charger. It has all the same features as the 200-watt 18-volt model, but this one can handle up to 300 watts continuous power. It's a charger too. It'll cost you $119 as well next month. Harbor Freight keeps rolling out new additions to their Bauer 20-volt lineup. This time, it's a cordless half-inch drill driver kit with a 2 amp hour battery and rapid charger. The drill features a half-inch all-metal keyless chuck, all-metal gear construction, 2 speeds, textured overmold, and a bright LED light. Best of all, the whole kit's only $54.99 and available right now at your local Harbor Freight. DeWALT just launched a cordless duplex nailer that concrete contractors have been asking for. The DCN 910B is the lightest battery-powered duplex nailer on the market, delivering 3 times the productivity compared to manual methods. Now, for those unfamiliar, duplex nails are double-headed nails used for temporary concrete forming, scaffolding, and bracing. This runs on DeWalt's 20-volt Max XR platform, takes their collated DN 275 8-penny and DN 350 16-penny duplex nails, and it's available for pre-order as a bare tool for $4.99. DeWalt also has a concrete chemical sprayer coming early 2026. The DCCS 1100B is built specifically for curing compounds, form release, and surface treatments. It puts out up to 150 psi with a 10-speed adjustable flow rate, includes 6 nozzles and backpack straps for mobility. Most contractors are currently using pneumatic sprayers tethered to compressors. This gives you proper chemical resistance and pressure needed for concrete coatings with the mobility of DeWalt's 20-volt system. We absolutely plan to get our hands on both of these new tools and many more when we visit the DeWalt booth next week at World Concrete. Recently, we told you that Metabo and Matabo HPT will be merging their entire lines into a single line called Matabo HPT. And this week, the first 6 tool updates are hitting the shelves. Specifically, the 5-inch 15-amp MFE wall chaser, the 5-inch 12-amp TE13125 concrete grinder, the 5-inch 14.5-amp RSEV 17125 renovation grinder, the 13.5-amp RBE 15180 set tube belt sander, the 14.5-amp SE 17200 RT burnishing machine, and the 7-inch 13-amp PE 1530 angle polisher will all now proudly wear the Matabo HPT branding. They were quick to point out that all these Matabo HPT tools are produced in Germany just as before. The only changes are updated branding and order numbers. Milwaukee just dropped a fully cordless refrigerant recovery machine that solves a real problem for HVAC techs. No more hunting for outlets or dragging extension cords onto rooftops.
Pop in Milwaukee's Forge HD 12-volt battery and pull up to 10 pounds of refrigerant on a single charge at 0.73 pounds per minute. It's also A2L compatible for new refrigerant standards, and paired with their M12 fuel vacuum pump, you've got the industry's first fully cordless service call. The kit will arrive in April and run $15.99, along with a machine, a Forge 12-amp-hour battery, rapid charger, and filter screens.
It's time for a bit of tool show and tell, and this week we've got the evolution of a revolutionary tool that's changing the way that we work in almost every trade. This is the GRABO. The original GRABO was introduced to a lot of us by Izzy Swan nearly 4 years ago right here on YouTube. At first glance, it was an unassuming novelty, a powered suction cup that could lift a paver. Cool. But in the hands of this creative mastermind, it quickly became much, much more. He started building accessories like a hand truck mount for holding cargo safely in place. He designed a plate that allowed him to adapt it to vacuum bag clamping and even turn it into a bench vise. Now, at the time, Izzy boldly proclaimed that this tool would be on every job site in America soon. And today, his prediction is very much coming true. In the trades, it's being used by the tile setters, glass installers, cabinet guys, for everything from granite pavers to full sheets of drywall. Woodworkers and DIYers are using it for handling sheet goods like plywood, MDF, and melamine. No more struggling to maneuver them onto the table saw or out of your truck. Plus, woodworkers looking to build a vacuum work holding system, pairing this with Izzy's accessories gives you capabilities that would normally cost thousands of dollars in traditional vacuum equipment. And while the world is still finding new ways to use it, GRABO was convinced it could make it even better. This model here is what they're calling their most advanced vacuum filter yet, the Pro Brushless. And when I say this is a big leap forward, I'm not exaggerating. This thing has some genuinely game-changing features that separate it from everything else in the GRABO lineup, including the DeWALT version that I know a lot of you guys own. So, what makes it different? Well, first up, they've gone brushless. This isn't just marketing speak. The new brushless motor moves 30 liters of air per minute versus the 20 liters per minute of the old Pro, which means you're getting full vacuum in just 5 seconds. That's 50% faster airflow than the previous model. The brushless motor also means longer runtime and less maintenance. You're getting up to 900 on and off cycles on a single 2.5 amp hour battery charge. That's basically a full day of lifting without touching the charger. But here's the feature that really sets it apart: the adjustable vacuum limit selector. Look at the LED display. You can manually dial in exactly how much suction you want. Why does that matter? Because oversuction is a real problem with delicate materials. With thin glass, expensive polished stones, or delicate tile, too much suction can actually crack or damage your material. The Pro Brushless lets you set the exact pressure you need for the job. The pump will automatically maintain that pressure, no more and no less. This is a very big deal. And you can power your GRABO Pro Brushless in more ways than ever. It actually launched with their own 20-volt battery platform, and it comes with a 2.5 amp hour battery in the kit. But they also have a new battery adapter system. You can run the Pro Brushless on Bosch, DeWALT, Flex, Makita, or Milwaukee 18-volt, 20-volt batteries. And that kit's sold separately, but for pros who are already deep in one of those ecosystems, that's kind of a big deal. I have mine set up to work with my DeWALT batteries since I already use them on my DeWALT GRABO. Now, my adapter kit is actually missing the Makita adapter because Izzy Swan stole it from me. I'm pretty sure you can actually see him take it out of the box in his own video here. And quite frankly, I'd rather be able to say that Izzy stole my adapter than actually have the adapter, because Izzy's cool. What, has he stolen any of your tools? I didn't think so. The new Pro Brushless comes standard with a GRABO remote as well, which is super handy when using a lot of the amazing accessories out there, like these vac pucks from Swan Tool Group. We'll take a closer look at these in a future episode, so take a quick moment to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks. So you might be asking yourself, should I upgrade from my DeWALT? Well, if you're lifting sheet goods, cabinets, pavers, standard job site materials, the DeWALT is perfectly capable and you're fine. But if you work with expensive materials like glass installers, countertop fabricators, high-end tile work, that adjustable vacuum feature alone makes the Pro Brushless a must. And if you're a woodworker, I highly suggest you spring for the Pro Brushless, if only to make sure you'll be able to use all the brilliant new accessories designed for it. The all-new GRABO Pro Brushless is available right now from GRABO's factory shop at grabo.com. The kit comes with a bag, battery charger, and a wall mount for only $349. All right, guys, it's time again for the Platinum Tool Deal from Ohio Power Tool. Now, every week, they send us a special, unique code that will get you one of the best possible deals on tools anywhere online. But there's a catch. The code we give you will only work for the first 25 people who use it, so you've got to be here at 8 p.m. on Fridays and be one of the very first. This week's code will get you $50 off a $100 or more purchase of anything from Gear Wrench. Now, the code you need is TS97660. Good luck. That's it for today. I want to thank Ohio Power Tool for continuing to support our show and our community of tool fans. All right, guys, if you can, lend a tool or a hand to a neighbor this weekend, and Sarah and I will see you next week.